Alright, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Ever have one of those weeks where your brain feels completely overloaded? Yeah, me too. We're all desperately searching for that one thing that can just hit the reset button. And for centuries, people have sworn by one powerful, natural remedy. That's right, today we're diving into the world of relaxing waterfalls. We're talking about why the sight and sound of falling water is nature's ultimate anti-anxiety prescription. So, why do we find waterfalls so incredibly calming? It's a full-on, multi-sensory experience that literally rewires our stressed-out brains. First up, the sound. The sound of a waterfall is what researchers call pink noise. It's a consistent, non-threatening sound that our brains can latch onto. This incredible sound does two main things for us. 1. It masks abrupt, jarring noises that trigger our primal stress responses. The steady rumble acts like an acoustic blanket, telling your brain to stand down. And 2, it encourages a process called entrainment. The rhythmic sound can slow our brain waves down into calmer, more meditative states. It's like a lullaby for your mind. But it's not just about what we hear. The sight of a waterfall is a huge part of the magic. It creates a soft fascination for our brains. We're captivated by the movement, but it doesn't require intense concentration. This allows your problem-solving brain to finally take a break and restore itself. If you're near a real waterfall, you're also breathing in negative ions. Studies suggest these particles can improve mood and reduce stress. You're literally breathing in chill vibes. Plus, there's the feel of the cool, misty spray on your skin. It's an instant, refreshing wake-up call that grounds you firmly in the present moment. And finally, there's the smell. That clean, fresh scent of moving water and wet stone is deeply primal and soothing. It directly promotes feelings of peace and safety. So, how do you get this amazing experience? The best way is to find a real waterfall. Plan a hike and immerse yourself in the full experience. But let's be real, we can't jet off to Yosemite every stressful Tuesday. That's where technology comes in clutch. You can bring the waterfall to you. High-definition videos on a big screen are surprisingly effective. For the full effect, pair it with high-quality, immersive audio through great speakers or headphones. Put on a long nature sound video when reading or winding down for bed. It completely transforms the vibe, like a mental teleportation device. The bottom line? The relaxing power of waterfalls is backed by real science. It's a way to hack your nervous system and force it to relax. In our chaotic world, finding these pockets of peace is essential for our mental health. So, that's my deep dive into this ultimate relaxation hack. What's your go-to natural sound for de-stressing? Throw your favorites in the comments below. I'm always looking for new soundscapes to try. If this was helpful, hit that like button to support the channel. Subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into finding peace. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now go on, close some of those browser tabs in your brain. You've earned it. Stay curious and stay chill.